already.
Something else or something. Looks nice. And one. Two, three. Hi,
Hey,
fam.
why you always say hi? It's hey. You always say hi.
And 1, 2, 3.
Hey fam, what's up? We're back with another mukbang, and in today's mukbang, I think we're gonna do it a little bit different. He's laughing because he knows why we're doing this different. We're not gonna talk in this mukbang. We're just gonna eat. So, yeah, we got I made everything today. So we got corn, mussels, which I've never tried. So you're gonna have to try it first.
No, I was just thinking you try it first.
No, I ain't gonna try it first. You
Don't
can
we
try
need
it
plates?
first. Yeah, you could grab some. Wait, let me. Okay, you can go grab. Nah, I ain't trying it first. I'm sorry. I don't know, man. Cause I was looking at it while I'm cooking it. I'm like, yo.
I always try it first.
Yeah, exactly. You're quicker to do that than I am.
Yeah, but these looking at these, it's like questionable.
I don't even know what they're supposed to look like.
I don't
So
even know what they're supposed to type.
just try it. So on today's menu, we have corn, mussels. You can't see it, but there's some sausages in here. We have some, what are these? Potatoes. We got some shrimp. I got a snow crab cluster, some butter sauce, some cocktail sauce, and some lemons. So go ahead if you guys got something to eat, and let's dig in. And I also got me some pink lemonades. Where are you going?
I'm getting a garbage plate.
A what?
A garbage plate.
Oh, okay. So I think I've got to go dig in with the shrimp first.
Alright. Well, I guess I'm
What the hell?
gonna be the one to try this.
Yes.
I don't know, man.
Just
so questionable.
open it and suck it out.
So questionable.
You're scared to suck it out?
I mean, yeah. Like, look at this. Like, is this supposed to be there?
Mm-hmm. What?
I don't know.
You don't know what?
It's alright, I guess. It's not good, though.
It's not. Oh, it's not good. I'm not gonna eat it.
It's not like, it's nothing really good about it at all. Oh,
What?
I had a garbage plate and I put it on here.
Mm-hmm. Use your hands. Just use your hands. Don't be a punk.
Not for potatoes.
Why? Just pick that joint up. I'm gonna dip that up in some. Them potatoes is nice.
Spicy.
What, the potatoes?
Yeah. I think the potatoes, yeah. Or the sausage, maybe? I don't know. What kind of sausage did you get?
Mine.
Damn.
This sauce is spicy. I'll tell you that. But so good. You don't know how long I've been thinking about eating on this crab. The sausage does have a little bit of a kick to it. when I like first dig it in. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh. It's so good. Wait, we didn't get a pick up a piece of food or something. We gotta get a thumbnail. Get a piece of food. Just hold it up, pretend to eat it or something. Grab a potato or something. I don't know. Come on, man.
I'm sorry. Okay.
That's fine. I'll get that one. That has some lemon. Oh yeah. Ooh. Look at that. So are we not eating the mussels?
I'm not.
No? Okay, well if you don't think it's good, I know I'm not gonna like it because you eat damn near anything.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Not too at all.
Yeah, okay. Very minimum amount of things that I've seen you actually say no to. Let's just take them off. Bye-bye mussels.
I don't know. Those potatoes are spicy, though. Really spicy.
I like the potatoes.
I mean, they're good.
It's just probably because it's sitting in the sauce. No. Ooh, I still got some crabs left. Hold on. Gotta dip down in there, get that onion.
Oh, come on. Splash right on me.
I splashed.
I mean, that thing, yeah.
You like the sausages?
Yeah. Well, I'm good. Thank you.
You can't just leave.
I'm not leaving. I'll be right back.
You barely ate.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
I ate like 10 pieces of shrimp, like at least
Eat some
3
more
or 4
sausages.
sausages, and then like 3 or 4 potatoes. And that's
Eat
enough.
some more sausages.
No, thank you. Should have gotten something to drink. I'll be right back. I just gotta get a drink. Oh, man.
What?
That's spicy.
It was spicy this time?
Yeah.
It's a good spicy to me. Is bad spicy to you?
That wasn't bad.
No?
That's good.
Okay.
You know, I could only handle so much.
Yeah. I understand.
Oh,
That's kid apple juice.
not good.
And I know it doesn't have like sugar in it or something. Get the grape juice. Come drink some of this.
Nah.
It's really good.
No, I don't like it.
Pink lemonade?
Yeah.
You want lemonade?
Especially all that Kool-Aid stuff.
It's not Kool-Aid. I don't add anything to that. What?
You don't add anything to Kool-Aid?
To that?
Oh.
It's just the mix.
You don't want to add sugar in there?
I don't have to.
Mm.
That's what I'm saying. Just drink that. You hear that? Like,
Car?
I guess. Okay. Well, Mr. Man, since you finished eating,
Mm-hmm.
let's pick something to talk about.
Well. That's not even fair.
Okay, let's play 2 truths and a lie.
Alright.
You'll go first.
Oh man, come on. You always make me go first. Like, always.
I'm eating still. Yes. Also, perks of it being my channel. I could tell you. Go first.
Trying to think of something. Does that have to be about what does that have to be about?
Whatever you want. Just keep it like, you know, not, I guess, watch what you say. So,
And my favorite color is red. My favorite color is blue.
no, not, it has to. Like, okay. Let me see. Think of 2 truths and a lie. I had a bird named Tata.
That true.
No, stop.
Oh.
And what if it's not true?
Well, I mean, wait. So am I supposed to know this, or?
You're supposed to tell me what's the lie.
Aren't you supposed
Oh,
to
no.
guess what the lie
Yeah,
is?
you're supposed to tell me what the lie. No, you're supposed to guess what I'm lying about.
Yeah.
I didn't finish.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Now I gotta go again.
Because I know that was the truth.
This is hard. You
I
didn't
know
think
it
of
is.
anything yet?
No. No, it's hard.
No. Okay. I actually. Okay. 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 Let me think of all three of them first. Hold on. Oh, don't start that.
I see you.
What? Oh. You see how hard I'm thinking? Look, I just started thinking so much I just stopped eating.
Hey.
Coco, Reese, leave her alone. Okay, this just wants to pop off. So let me eat this. You want some?
No. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Hey. Coco and Reese. Jesus. They're not gonna stop. She all up on her. Okay. I got ran over by a car. I used to lick Ajax when I was little. And you ready for it? You ready?
Yeah.
I dyed my hair burgundy.
I know you got hit by a car. So I'm gonna say you dyed your hair burgundy. It took you a while to come up with that one. Okay, I'm right. Okay, good.
Yeah, you're right.
You only get one round out of me. These things are hard to come up with. It was like 5 minutes to think of that.
I know, right? It took a lot of thinking to come up with what we just came with. I don't understand how people can play that game like so many rounds. I guess you just have to be so interesting because I'm not that interesting. I am a boring individual. I like to stay at home. I like to sleep and relax for my babies. You don't even eat no corn, babe.
I told you I wouldn't.
Did you?
I said I wouldn't.
I guess I did make all that for me then.
Yeah, you made way too much.
No, that shit banging.
You're not gonna eat all this?
I'm not, but I eat that. I can warm that up in the microwave and cook some more potatoes and heat this corn up and cut me some more lemon and heat this sauce up.
I guess.
Reuse. Do you, boo boo? He don't use the microwave. And it's so weird to me. Like, you know, people like, oh, microwave. Oh, no. I don't use that.
It's awesome.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, because it makes it hard.
It does make it hard. But
It makes it very hard to have, like, leftovers and stuff.
yeah, like I really hate microwaving. Really hate it. Leftovers, not that big of a fan of.
Yeah. So I have to make meals small enough just for, like, the night.
Yeah.
And it's hard because things don't come like a lot of stuff comes in a big packaging, or you know, they put it so I guess however much they think somebody would eat, and I don't eat that much, so there's always some left, and then I'm like, oh, you can have it. No, I'm good. And then I either eat it depending on what it is, or it just goes to waste.
Good.
Good. Come over here.
It's not even that much left over.
No.
I guess a little bit of shrimp and sausage.
Yeah. But really not. Not much at all. How's so good?
Anyways. What? Alright, then I guess you do it.
Y'all, he's just trying to take over. Come on, babe. Go ahead. You gonna end it out? Let's go.
Anyways, thank you very much for watching our mukbang. Okay, we appreciate all your love and support. Before you go, make sure to hit the subscribe button at the bottom or at the top. I don't know where it's at. But anyways, that's all we have for you. We'll catch you next time. Goodbye, fam.
Bye, fam. You did good though.
Yeah.
Give kisses.
No.
My what? I
No.
clean my mouth off. I clean my mouth.